What tools are needed to install open ring metal snaps from KAMsnaps? You can find quick links for all the tools and dies needed by going to the Snaps product listing and clicking on the Required Tools tab in the description. You'll need the snaps and the KX dies for open ring metal snaps in the corresponding size. You'll also need one of our multifunctional professional grade presses, either the KX HA professional handheld, the Pro stand-up, or the DK93 heavy-duty table press with a DK93 to KX adapter base. You can also use this older DK98 table press with the two-piece DK98 to KX adapter set. Open ring snaps are self-piercing, so you want to make sure that the material you're using them with isn't so dense or thick that these teeth can't pierce through them on their own. Your snaps won't hold and they'll just fall off. For either of these portable tools, the dies fit directly in the press. To install the snap, place the stud or mill piece into the top die with the nub facing up. The ring piece goes into the bottom die with the prongs facing up. You do the same thing for the other side of the snap. This is the top and this is the bottom. The top center ring has little broken notches, whereas the bottom is a completely smooth ring. This is the socket or female. The side with the center ring with little notches in it is the top side. And again, the ring goes in with the teeth facing upward. And you'll see once installed that on the female piece, the notches are what is showing. And that's what the male piece snaps into. I'll show that again using the heavy-duty table press. So the top die fits directly in the press, but the bottom die, as you can see, will not fit in the hole, and that's why you need this adapter. I place the ring in the bottom die with the teeth facing up and the socket with the notch center ring facing up